Have you ever heard about the saying, the money is in the list? In business, this is a very powerful saying, and it is powerful because it is true. But unfortunately for small business owners, this is often the most neglected a part of whatever transaction or whatever your business process is. It is something that most small business owners don't take seriously. In this video, I'm going to get you to understand and then also to help you to kind of build the list, because we know that without a list, you are not going to have the right people that you can communicate with consistently to be able to make them your customers. My name is Beatrice Yakubu. I'm the founder of Simply Family Business, and what I do is to help entrepreneurs understand the concept of the online media so that you can get visible, your business can get visible, and indeed you can be able to attract the right clients and grow the business. Let's get started with what I would say, how you can build your list using these 5 steps. Number 1 is for you to think about creating a lead magnet. Now, a lead magnet has been used, it's a very broad term for several things. And the simple part of it is, just like a magnet will pull on anything metallic, it is said that when you have something that people want, it becomes a magnet. What it is that you are offering becomes a magnet to pull these people into your ecosystem, into your funnels. And that is what lead magnets stand for. And in effect, what you use as a lead magnet is also varies, and that includes ebook. So ebook is the main and popular one. You can use a video series. You can use a part of your book if you do have one. You can use a checklist or a PDF, anything that people can easily consume and to be able to use for themselves. Anything that will wow them and they will feel that yes, you actually have something worthy of them downloading or of them following you for. So creating the lead magnet is important. I will do another video regarding this and the steps to create the to create the lead magnet for that matter. The second thing is for you to also create a contact us page on your website. So if you have a website, it is important that you have a contact us page. And the essence of this is that when somebody come on your website and they really want to know more information about you, and then they fill in that form, guess what? Their email address is coming directly to you, and that also forms part of your email list. If somebody is not interested in what you do, why would they be contacting you? So that's the premise of actually having the contact us page on your website. Number 3 is for you to do a giveaway contest. Now, giveaway contest is quite powerful. Why? Because it helps people to kind of follow you online, number 1, on social media, for example, but also in order for them to enter the contest, they have to input their email address. And that is really, really powerful because if somebody is not interested in what you do, number 1 is that they're not going to be interested in having the gifts that you're offering, because what we normally say is that the gifts should be something that people who are likely to be your customers will like. So yes, having a giveaway contest is also significant in growing your lead magnet. Number 3 is for you to also have that would be number 4 actually, is also for you to kind of have a challenge. So for example, when you see the challenges that people do online, on Facebook, on Instagram, wherever you can find challenges, they are things that people would normally sign for. And yes, we know that some people would just sign for things without even remembering what they actually signed for. But in a nutshell, you are looking for people who would sign for whatever it is, that education that you are going to be offering, and so that they eventually become your clients. Here is the thing: when people sign for your challenge, you also have the opportunity to now follow them up. Even during the challenge and post-challenge, you have the opportunity to communicate with them frequently, to the point of walking them to become your customers or your clients for that matter. And last but not the least is for you to have a create a squeeze page, answers and what's it called? Answers, questions and answers. What does that mean? Quiz gives people the opportunity to exercise their brain power. So for example, when people come on your website or even on social media, you are asking them questions about XYZ, and then people, there's a saying that our brains cannot, does not like incompletion. So because of that, when a question is asked and somebody thinks that they know the answer, guess what? They are usually quick, or they would start to think about the answer. And then so this is like a way of getting people to fill in the form, answer the questions, and then after answering the questions, obviously they are looking for the answers as to did they get it right, which one did they get right, which one did they perhaps not get right, and what is the result saying about them, so to speak. And in that sense, then that's when you would ask for their email address so that in order for you to release the answers to them. So those are the 5 things that I will limit your list building strategy to. And if you are able to follow these, obviously you are going to be getting the results. i.e., number 1, start to create a lead magnet. Ensure that you have a contact us page that people can contact you on your website. Run a giveaway contest on social media so that people, more and more people are coming into your ecosystem and into your funnel. And also ensuring that you are doing a challenge where people would have to sign up for the program. And even if it's just 1-day program, it doesn't have to be a series of days. And last but not the least is to have quiz where people can actually have answers to the questions that you set, and then you password it for them, not password, so that you get them to sign up for it, i.e. giving you their email address. Those are the easy ways that you can get your email list building process started. And yes, I'll come your way once again to build upon these. Thank you so much for watching. Like my YouTube channel, and subscribe to the channel, send me a comment, and indeed thumbs up for this video if you've liked it so far. Beatrice Yakubu, Simple Family Business. Follow for more. Take care.